My kids never cease to amaze me. When they do something good, I like to show how proud I am by sticking it on our fridge. Ta-da! But many children in Britain simply don't receive this kind of support. They feel they have nobody to turn to and no one to give them the help they need. That's why this year, Barnardo's are turning the support you give your children into support for the UK's most vulnerable children. To do this, we'd like you to contribute to a nationwide collection of children's achievements. It's called the Nation's Fridge Door.
So how does it work? Simply choose one of your child's drawings, awards, or whatever makes you proudest from Facebook or a photo album. Add a magnet, then post it to our virtual fridge and share it with your friends and family so it can be admired by the nation online and maybe even feature in Barnardo stores.
Everything you share will help Barnardo's raise awareness for the children who desperately need our support. Now, I'm sure it's nothing to do with the fact that I'm her mum, but I really think this is going to be very valuable one day.